Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alert, never get in and out of plays. Also get your free stock from down below as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into it, guys. Take a look at it, see what's going on because things is getting interesting. Something major just happening. A huge shift is going on. The truth is being coming out. It's being crazy, guys. It's like I don't know. I really believe uh nothing in the dark is going to go unseen, or what they say, what's done in the dark shall come to the light, this, that, and third. But it's crazy because I believe a lot of things is coming back to bite these people in the ass. The higher up, the government, which in the financial space, the stock market, the AMC, GME situation came about and shook up that, made a lot of truth come out, a lot of fuckery that was going on, a lot of manipulative tactics, over here on TikTok with everything that's been coming out about the government, all this stuff that's been coming to the light with the LSU situation in Iowa, how Jill Biden now trying to go back and say, oh, I didn't mean anything by it. It was just, nah, it still exists. If LSU would have won, they wouldn't have been invited. I mean, if Iowa would have won, they wouldn't have been invited LSU to the White House. Man, because it's a race thing, you guys. Let's be real. And there's not my people. I'm good. I'm on the fence. I love everybody. I'm just being real, calling it out, calling a spade a spade. And what I'm saying is just showing you guys a small situation all the way down to big situations like this. This shit is coming out. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on. As we know, man, feel free to join VIP. Hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call. Change your whole perspective on the market. Lots of value, lots of gems. Today was a great day today. We had two call outs, Tesla and Netflix. Tesla was a success, up over 70%. Sold into panic this morning. Could have sold for 100%, but didn't want to wait out to that 184. Sold around 187, I believe. Sold for $1,100 profit. A lot of other people sold for nice profits as well, guys. And then shortly after that, we got into Netflix. Netflix got in it 30 minutes later, was up 30%. Should have sold then for a few $100s, but since I made $1,000 out of Tesla, I only put in 350, excuse me, $350, $400 into Netflix. I was willing to lose, the whole thing or 50% of it. It really didn't matter, losing a couple $100s, but I was looking to make $1,000. So I was risking a few $100s to make 1,000. I could have sold when I was up a few $100s, which I would have, but I have bought in my small account that I start over every year to stay on the same level as the majority of my following, to show you guys, and basically I done used all my day trades and I couldn't sell for the 30%. But if you was up 30, 40% or ever up 30, 40% in the play and I'm waiting for the next day for more panic, do not wait. You can always get back in, sell, use that day trade, make that money. I'm going to let that be clear, guys. Sell. When you get in the play, you up 40, 50% in the next 30 hour, sell, make that money. You can always get back in. Only reason I didn't sell an alert, and maybe I should say that in the VIP, sell. I just can't sell. I couldn't sell right now because I didn't use all my day trade. But that's why I'm very meticulous about how I do things. I knew I couldn't sell today, so why would I put thousands of dollars on the line? Only put $300 on the line. That being said, going into tomorrow, if I sell for half, if I lose half of that, that would be fine. Drop in the bucket, and that's what I mean by losing small, guys. Losing $150, wow. Lose another $150, wow. Lose another $150, wow. Lose $100, lose $50, lose $50. I can lose 6, 7 times in a row. Add it up. I only lost 100, 200, 300 for the 150, 4, 5. I lost $500 out of 6 times of losing, and just off that one Tesla play today. We made $1,100. That way, that 1,100 subtract the 500 that you lost in the past, you still up $600 profit. That makes sense. So that's how you should do things, guys. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a further look, see what's going on with this, because things is getting interesting. As we could see, AMC and theoretically, AMC and APE should be moving simultaneously in the same motion, in the same frequency. AMC going up, APE should be up. AMC down, it should be down. As we notice, they're moving the opposite. They move in the opposite direction. AMC down, APE up. AMC up, APE down. Yesterday, AMC panicked over 23 nearly 30%, and APE shot up 23, nearly 30%. Today, AMC shot up in after hours 7%, 10% overall in the day, and APE shot down about that same percentage. So AMC is sitting the end of that $4.32, guys. What's happening here? Something interesting is definitely happening and about to take place. So let's see what's going on. If we go ahead and take a look at it, guys, we see that OMG. AMC stock pops. 8 tumbles as court won't okay share conversion settlement yet. As we know, guys, that's what I mean by stuff, the truth coming to the light. The courts won't approve this yet. And the reason they won't approve because they say, hey, you guys is moving too fast. Why all of a sudden now? Like, what's the rush? Why is y'all trying to do this? Y'all already got lots of money. You AMC, right? The retail investor frenzy. Right, save y'all, made to help y'all recoup billions of dollars, right? What's going on? What's the rush? That's what they saying. They said what's the rush. I'm exaggerating a little bit and letting it, but I'm just speaking on how they probably speaking to them behind closed doors. Like, what is it? Like, y'all really getting up with these people like that? Hold up. Hold your horses. Let me do a little more investigation. Let me see what's going on before I approve this. And this stall out, it'd be exactly what AMC need, whether it happens or not. If they can at least postpone it for another month, 2 months or whatnot, with AMC being at these levels, it could possibly get a nice little squeeze, a nice little spike happen. And that's not hyping it up. That's not this, that, and third. Just saying it could happen with the heat of the moment, this news, this catalyst, what's going on, something big could possibly be brewing. So don't let that, overexcite you, this, that, and third, which we know theoretically AMC should be doing well. It should be doing crazy numbers, but we can't help that it's being manipulated. That's why you got to always know anything could be manipulated. That's why you never go all in. You never put everything you got. Never try to be greedy. Always just, be a part of the opportunities. Don't try to overtake the opportunity and put all your eggs in one basket. So as we notice, guys, right here, AMC shares bounced Wednesday night, while AMC's preferred equity unit tumbled after Delaware's Court of Chancery ruled against fast-tracking a proposed settlement with shareholders that will allow capital raise for the theater chain and meme stock. Late Monday, AMC Entertainment in its SEC filing disclosed a binding settlement with plaintiffs in the shareholder lawsuit regarding the movie theater chain stock conversion plan. Plaintiffs would get common shares in return. AMC and the plaintiffs would request that a status quo order be lifted, allowing the conversion of APE stock into AMC stock. AMC also would be allowed to carry out a 1-to-10 reverse stock split and have the right to sell more shares. So, but lifting the status quo order needed court approval to forego the usual process. But Court of Chancery Vice Chancellor Morgan Zern ruled against that Wednesday, saying AMC Entertainment is moving too fast. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I wouldn't think I would think everybody's in on this. They all cahoots. Sound like we might got us one. We might got us one. We might got us one. We might got one of the ones. We might got us one of those. What's that girl name that I love? What is that black woman name? The Owens, whatever her name. We might got an Owens on our team. Somebody to stand up for something, that stands on something, to see, fairness. So AMC lawyers had argued that the settlement was contingent in the status quo order being lifted. AMC Entertainment issued AMC Preferred as a way to raise capital without directly issuing more AMC common shares. Y'all always trying to raise more capital. You don't need no more capital. We done got you all the capital you need. If you can't twerk that and retwist the business with those few billion, you don't even need no more money. Like I said, if you can't turn $100 to 1,000, you can't turn 1,000 to 10,000. You can't turn 10,000 to 100,000. You damn sure can't turn 100,000 to 1,000,000. Same thing with AMC. If y'all can't use 2 billion and flip the business around and make 20 billion, you damn sure can't get 10 billion from us and make 100 billion. Make it make sense, man. I ain't the smartest guy in the world, but I do know how to break it down and make it make sense. Make that make sense. So anyways, if we go ahead and take a further look, guys, this thing's about to get interesting. This shit is coming back to backfire. I'm talking about everything. Not is this coming back to backfire on TikTok, all this stuff. Like, this is some crazy stuff. So AMC and APE shares swing as judge denies attempt for a speedier stock conversion and reverse stock split. Oh. So like I say, guys, we'll update more about this later on. I got to continue to do my research, see exactly what's taking place, and do all my check everything out. You guys already know, but like I say, prepare. Price action is key, and let's see exactly what happens and take place from here. Things is getting interesting. You already know what to do. I love you guys. Y'all, and God bless you.